Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel today. I am sharing some quick and easy kitchen hacks on how to properly store cheese so it stays fresh longer and tastes its best. These tips will save you money, reduce food waste, and make your cheese taste amazing every time. Let us start with cottage cheese. If you love it like I do, here is a great trick. Always store your cartons of cottage cheese upside down in the refrigerator. Why? Because it creates a kind of vacuum seal, which slows down bacteria growth and keeps your cottage cheese fresh for days longer than usual. Next, when storing regular cheese, like cheddar, Swiss, or Gouda, never keep it unwrapped in the fridge. Air exposure dries cheese out and causes it to lose flavor quickly. Instead, wrap it tightly in kitchen foil or parchment paper. This protects the cheese while still allowing it to breathe. Here is another simple but powerful tip. Always take cheese out of the refrigerator about an hour before serving. Cold cheese loses flavor and aroma, but when it warms to room temperature, those flavors come back to life and the texture improves too. Here are a few bonus cheese hacks. Store soft cheeses like brie or camembert in wax paper before wrapping in foil for the perfect balance of freshness. Never freeze fresh cheeses like ricotta or cottage cheese. They lose texture. But hard cheeses like Parmesan freeze well if wrapped tightly. And always keep cheese in the vegetable drawer. It's the most stable, slightly humid environment in your fridge. So remember, upside down for cottage cheese, wrap your cheese properly and let it breathe before serving. These little tricks will keep your cheese fresher, longer, and tastier. If you found these kitchen hacks helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with a fellow cheese lover. See you next time!